Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start now. Confirm your Hyundai model supports AutoLink and that the car's telematics subscription is active. Next, enable Bluetooth, location, and cellular data on your phone and sign into the Hyundai account so credentials are ready. Install or update the AutoLink app and then sit in the driver's seat with the ignition in accessory or on so the vehicle can broadcast. Once done, make sure your phone is within 3-5 meters and the car's infotainment is awake for pairing. You'll now pair and configure. Open AutoLink and tap Add Vehicle, then input the VIN or scan the QR code from the owner's menu. On the car's infotainment, navigate to Phone or Connectivity, select Bluetooth and choose Pair New Device. Confirm the numeric code shown on both screens. Once paired, grant the app required permissions, location, notifications, background refresh, and Bluetooth, so features like remote start and vehicle status update reliably. Make sure to sync any vehicle profiles and wait for a confirmation message. Finish by verifying your vehicle shows online in the app and performing a simple remote command, such as lock or status refresh, to confirm connectivity. If the app won't connect, reboot your phone, toggle Bluetooth and location, and restart the car's infotainment before trying again. Many issues clear with this sequence. If commands still fail, re-enter your Hyundai account credentials and check subscription status. As a last step, contact the dealer to inspect the telematics module or restore service. Those fixes resolve most remaining fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.